Right now, someone is building $1 million business alone. No team, no office. Just one person, a camera, and AI handling everything else. And it's happening across every industry that you could think of. Coaches, consultants, content creators, and even e-commerce businesses. They're posting daily, running programs, building audiences, and making serious money doing it, all without hiring a single person. I'm George McConnell. I left the corporate world 7 years ago and turned a side hustle into a multi-million-dollar empire. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a one-person business using AI. Now let me give you an example of what I mean by this. See, the other day I was browsing Instagram and some fitness content popped up, which led me to this profile, Isaac Rich. He is a fitness coach with over 60,000 followers on Instagram, and he has a popular online coaching program. And first glance, looks pretty impressive, right? But I'm gonna tell you what looks impressive, how cost efficient it is. You see his content, his consistent posting, and his soft selling of his one-on-one training program. Now, all of this can be easily achieved by AI. See, you don't need a massive team to get this right. People are scaling to 6 and even 7 figures without a huge team. And in this video, I'm gonna break it down and show you exactly how he's doing this. So before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. And let's get into this. So jumping back into that Instagram really quick. See, he's not unique at all. And I don't mean that as any disrespect to him. I mean that as a reality. See, there are thousands of coaches that are doing this exact same thing. But the difference is, the strategies that he is using is allowing him to succeed faster. The old method, and some of you may remember this, you had to hire a photographer, an editor, a social media manager, and maybe even 2 VAs just to keep up with your DMs and comments. You basically needed to hire a small company just to run your Instagram account. Now you can have 80% of that work done for you using AI. All you really have to do is just show up on camera. And honestly, even that is gonna change in a couple months. Right now, entrepreneurs are making anywhere from $50,000 to $250,000 a month with the help of AI. It's a complete shift from build a team to building a system. Something that would have taken years to build in the past can now be done within minutes, as long as you know what you're doing, of course. See, AI not only handles the light work, scripts, the editing, captions, posting, email follow-ups, but what many people don't understand is it also has the ability to think, meaning the more information that you feed it, the more it understands your business. It's going to also understand your tone, your positioning, and even your audience. And the AI system can take your creative ideas and refine them completely. See, the biggest bottleneck for creators is a simple question. What should I post today? That's it. It doesn't matter who you are either. You'll sit there staring at your screen for hours thinking, what direction should I go? And this stops 99% of you from moving forward. But a simple prompt can change all of that. All you have to do is just jump on the ChatGPT and type something like, I'm a fitness coach targeting busy entrepreneurs between the age of 25 and 35 who struggle with fat loss and time management. Generate me 30 real content ideas that address common pain points, misconceptions, and quick wins. I want you to format them as hooks, and done. Now you can also give it context. So you can add things like, here are some ideas I have. Stop doing cardio for fat loss and do this instead. 3 exercises killing your lower back and what to do. Or why you're not losing weight even though you're eating clean. See, now you told it who you are, who you're targeting, what angles matter, and more importantly, what pain points exist. Now, the more it learns about you and your avatar, then the less you're even gonna have to type in the future. Then what you're gonna do is just bench this every 30 days. Now you have an entire month of content within minutes. But here's the real kicker. See, again, this is where most people end up stopping. The next thing is to take your best performing posts or your videos and dump them back in. Tell it to analyze them and give you 20 more just like those. Or say the same thing in just a different way. And this part is important because sometimes people don't get it the first time you say it. They need it worded slightly different for it to just click. Plus, it looks like a whole new piece of content after you're done. So now you need to understand something. See, raw ideas aren't enough. You need scripts that sound like you, not robotic or corporate, and definitely not some polished LinkedIn nonsense. For that, honestly, Claude is sometimes better. Now I love ChatGPT, but I think Claude has the upper hand here. It has more conventional tone, especially when you add in your scripts and your videos directly into it. So first, you can paste, "Here's my real idea," and then paste your idea. Write a 60-second script in a casual, direct tone. Start with a hook, explain the problem, and give 3 actionable tips. And then end it with a CTA to check my bio. Now, before you hit the enter button, you have to train it. So upload 5 of your best scripts, or paste your transcripts or your videos directly into it. Then say, "This is my style. Write these and future scripts just like that." See, now it's gonna sound like you, not some robot trying to act motivational. This may take a little bit to get the hang of, but trust me, spending 15 minutes doing this is better than 15 hours writing and recording. Now from there, you still have to show up. AI will soon be able to replace your face, but right now, you still have to jump on for that energy and authenticity. And if you are just starting out, this might be a little bit hard, but after a few years, you'll be pretty good. You'll just have to use talking points like I do and take it from there. Now, of course, if you saw my bloopers, you'd probably be laughing your ass off, because sometimes I go completely off the rails and I just start ranting some dumb shit that I saw. So don't do that. But anyway, when you're recording, make sure you set aside 2 hours. You don't need days to do this, like many people make you believe. See, most of the work should be on topic, content scripts, and all that stuff on what you plan on doing. You can knock out the 10 videos in 2 hours. No lie, seriously. Now, once you've got, 2 weeks of content, see, the next step here is your editing. Now, back in the day, you'd pay $500 to $2,000 a month for an editor. But now you can use things like Descript or Captions and other AI systems like that. It makes it super easy. You just upload the raw file and it auto-generates everything for you. Shit, it even adds B-rolls and zooms and cuts. It'll even cut out the dead space, which is just completely wild. Then all you have to do is just review it, approve it, and you're done. Hours of content processed within just 10 minutes. No more spending hours editing yourself or working with an editor and going back and forth. And no more of those annoying emails that come in daily saying, "Hey, we will make your content better. Just pick us." You don't need it. All you need is AI. So now that we have those videos, and again, this is where many people fuck up, is your captions. See, every post needs a scroll-stopping caption aligned with your avatar. Not to mention, SEO matters. See, it helps the algorithm align your content with the right person. So add the following prompts into the system with your attached video. Write an Instagram caption for this reel. Make it engaging and align with my avatar. Then make sure you include the information about your audience. Now, one thing to keep this going is to batch maybe 30 at once, and then just store them so you never have to stare at a blank caption box again. But remember, efficiency is important. Manual posting is going to kill your momentum. So you want to use something like Meta Business Suite, which is completely free, or something like 1 Hour Social, which is only $7 a month. This allows you to schedule 30 days in one sitting, or upload a CSV file and schedule 90 days ahead. It also helps you optimize your posting times, pulls comments and stats right in one dashboard, everything in one place. Because here's the thing that nobody tells you. Social media is a game of balance. You need a ton of content, and 80% of that content should be about your life, behind the scenes, your thoughts, your journey, pure entertainment. And only 15 to 20% should move them towards your offer. You don't just shove a high-ticket program down their throat. You have to give them value, free downloads and free wins. Something that doesn't feel like bullshit either. For example, something like a 7-day challenge, which again, you can create using ChatGPT just by typing, "Create a free 7-day fitness challenge. Include daily tasks, tips, and a CTA to book a call on day 7. Now just format it. Deliver it via email automation." All you have to do is throw it in the caption, CTA, link in bio, free 7-day challenge. Or you can add onto the post, say DM fit, and I'll message you. And if you're wondering how that whole DM thing works, again, automation using AI. Companies like ManyChat capture the keyword, and then they'll send the link via DM. It'll collect their email and even follow up with them. See, that's how this entire model monetizes. And it keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. See, the content attracts the attention, and the attention is what becomes the lead. Most creators don't know what they're doing and they just stop at the content. They never build a funnel, or they try to charge before they even build any trust. You don't give value once, you build a scalable path. Month 1 to 3 could be about building your audience with that free value. Month 4 to 6, you can launch a mid-ticket offer, refining back on the feedback. And then month 7 to 12, that's where you can offer high-ticket things. And that's where that $50,000 to $250,000 per month range starts showing up. See, it's steps. We're walking up stairs. We don't just start in the penthouse. We have to work to get there. But with this system in place, you have direct access to an elevator. So that's the system. And I guarantee that that's the exact system that Isaac is using. See, you've got a question, and that is why he's succeeding so fast. So if you've got a question, drop them below. Let's build your system. Let's stop guessing what to post, and let's start making you money. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this helped you.